Okay, guys, so now we're gonna start checking how things work here um, in actual code, but actually printing everything in a nice table next to us just to know how this works. Okay, so this I'm gonna start with this data, which are gonna be the initial conditions of my loop. Okay, right now they're pretty just demonstrative, but for the run, we're gonna start checking some problems, some math problems, some series, and we're gonna run them. It's gonna be good. Okay, so let's check what do the following codes do. Okay, so this is actually just reading. Okay, we're not gonna code much, just to know what's happening. Okay, so let's read what happens. We start at 0, some another variable, its sum is 0, and we have this chain text that is just like just gonna be used to print the values. Okay, now we have the while statement, and we check that everything in here is inside the while statement, right? So what we do is check. The first thing that we need to do is check the condition. Okay, so let me change colors, some green maybe. So first thing we check is this thing over here. So it asks, the value of sum is actually 0. So 0 is bigger or smaller than 10? No, bigger or equal than 10? And the answer is no. Okay, that means that this code over here, it never executes, it never runs. Why is that? Because this condition is not valid. So something that you need to know and remember by heart. Okay, you need to check and set a valid condition. Let me write it down here. Always set a valid condition. Okay, that's the first thing we need to do. Without a valid condition, these things are not gonna run.